Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Hua. Today I'll be making chicken pho in a pressure cooker. You will need 1 large onion, 2 knobs of ginger peeled. I have a variety of spices I'll be using in my chicken pho, as cinnamon sticks, star anise, cardamon, fennel seeds, coriander seeds, and cloves. I like to put them in a large tea bag, but that's not necessary because you can strain it later. And place it in your pressure cooker or Instant Pot. And I love these spices that we're using because it reminds me of winter. I'm using chicken thighs that I have trimmed and they're bone in, and also 2 boneless chicken breasts. I recommend using bone-in chicken because it's going to give you a richer broth for your chicken pho. Add in 10 to 11 cups of water, and once it's done cooking, you can add in more water so you can have more broth later. Choose a good quality fish sauce and add in 2 tablespoons along with 1 teaspoon of salt. If you're unable to find rock sugar, you can use 2 tablespoons of regular sugar, and if you're low carb, do a sugar substitute or leave it all out. Add in the stems of the cilantro. I'm using the manual setting and adjusting the time to 15 minutes. Once it pressurizes, then the countdown will start to happen. It took 15 to 20 minutes for my pressure cooker to pressurize. And make sure you let it go a natural release versus quick release. Remove everything and strain your broth so it can be clear. Taste the chicken pho broth if you need additional seasoning. I added additional salt and sugar. You can place your chicken meat under cold ice water to prevent it from browning. I did not do that with this process. I just let it cool and then I shred it into pieces. I have an assortment of fresh herbs, bean sprouts, and also some lime wedges that I will include in my pho. My family prefers thin rice noodles, pho noodles, and I like to pre-soak my pho noodles under cold water for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Drain the excess water and place it in a colander. Boil some hot water in another pot and cook your noodles for less than a minute. If you're low carb, you can use these healthy noodles, which I will be using to eat. All you have left to do is to assemble your chicken pho. Put the rice noodles in the bowl with the chicken and with your herbs. And I like fried fresh garlic. It's a must in my family. And I like to dip my chicken pho in some sriracha and hoisin sauce. Or you can just add it right into your chicken pho broth. I hope you enjoy my easy and quick chicken pho recipe made in a pressure cooker. Let me know what you would like me to make next. Bye everyone.